Want to instantly boost your website's brand recognition with a tiny but mighty visual cue? Let's dive right into adding a favicon to your hosting or website builder in just a few simple steps. First, log into your Hostinger account and access the website builder. Once you're in the builder, look for the website settings. It's usually represented by a gear icon and is located either in the top or side menu. Click on it. This will open up a panel of options. Find the favicon setting. It might be listed under General Settings or Website Identity. Click on the favicon option and you'll be prompted to upload your favicon image. Make sure your favicon is a square image, ideally 16 by 16 pixels or 32 by 32 pixels for best results, and in a common format like PNG or ICO. Now, select the favicon image file from your computer and upload it. The Hostinger builder might offer a preview of how your favicon will look. Take a quick look at the preview to make sure it appears correctly. If it looks blurry or distorted, try a different image or adjust the size. Finally, click the Save or Publish button in the Hostinger website builder to apply the changes to your website. Now, open your website in a new browser tab and check the browser tab or bookmark where your new favicon should be proudly displayed, instantly adding a professional touch. And that's it. You've successfully added a favicon to your Hostinger website, improving its branding and visual appeal in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching.